Well, the quad lock's here. Start out here, seeing which ring works. That looks like the one. Well, there it is. Well, I was flipping through the manual to this bike last night, and come to find out, put this battery tender USB in here. It comes with one, and it's right next to it. I didn't even notice. Jeez, I apologize for these birds tonight. The parrots are out in full force. One thing I do want to find out, and I'll throw the key in the ignition. One thing I am going to try though is to see if it's switched power, which would be great. Then you won't kill your battery because it cuts the power to the USB if the ignition's off. Well, if that's the case, I will take this battery tender version out because I won't be needing it. So let's see. Well, thanks guys for swinging by and watching this little quick video. Just wanted to check out that quad lock, see how I like it. The one downfall I've noticed is my bars are tapered, so it kind of tilts it in. It's not perfectly parallel to the bars, so it kind of tilts to the left a little bit. I'll see if I can deal with that. If not, maybe I'll try to shim it or something. But for now, it's pretty good. And as far as that stock USB port, it's switched power, which is excellent. So I'll take that battery tender version out. I don't need it. Well, thanks guys. Sorry about those parrots. They are incredibly loud this time of night, this time of year. So until next time, like and subscribe if you like what you see, and I'll see you later. Bye.